Hi guys, welcome to Craft and Canvas. To all the mothers out there, a very happy Mother's Day. Amidst this lockdown situation, there's one thing that brought me and my mom very close was the set of indoor games that we have. Ludo, snake and ladder, carrom, cards, so many more. But each time we used to play, it used to get over so soon. We wanted something very interesting or would take a little more time to play the game. So my mom suggested, why not we play Monopoly or the game of business? But then we realized the board game that we had is at my nephew's place. We thought of ordering online, but as usual, the lockdown situation, we couldn't order or we couldn't go out and buy. So I thought, why not make it myself? So this is the Monopoly game that I have made for me and my mom to play this Mother's Day. Come, check it out. I have added the time-lapse video to this, and if you want all the details of the measurements and the quantities and all that, I have given that in the description box below. So how did I make this? I had this wooden cardboard with me. If you can see, this is a wooden cardboard. On this wooden cardboard, I have stuck a white cardboard sheet. You get this layout of Monopoly on Wikipedia. You can Google and find it out. I have drawn the box or the layout as per that. After doing that, I've cut out sheets of paper of different colors to identify the rupees or dollars that we will use. I had listed down the quantity that I need for each of these rupees. After that, I started cutting houses and hotels. Again, now I have differentiated houses in red color and hotels in blue color for easy identification. Post that, I started working on the property cards. Now each of these colored boxes that you have are the properties, so I've created cards for them. The written rent, houses, all those details I got it from Wikipedia again. Now you can see that I've colored each of these cards in different colors. These colors identify the colors that are written on the board. So when you collect them, you get that particular card. So the property card is ready. Then I made this community chest and chances card. This again, the details, you will find it in Wikipedia. Now you can see I have written for chances C for identification, and it's of blue color, light blue color. And for community chest, I have marked as CC for easy identification. This is dark blue in color. After all of this is ready, I needed dice. I took the dice from the Ludo game that I had. So the dice is ready. Now to identify each player, I have these Legos at home So I have used this so that each player gets one and can move forward with it. Now you guys tell me, how is it? You can make this Monopoly game by yourself too. Try it out and start playing. Thanks for watching, and remember, Craft and Canvas loves you.